Hi, my name is Mario Alberto Salcido, and I'm a freelance multimedia designer. I have 11 years experience in film and video production and desktop publishing. And today I want to talk to you about how to convert artwork into vector in Illustrator. The materials you will need in order to pull this off is a high-resolution artwork scan or JPEG. Okay, the very first step to converting the artwork into vector is to import the artwork and place it onto a layer inside of Illustrator. The second step is to select the artwork, go up to your menu where it says Object, and select the subheading Live Trace or Make and Expand. Now the third step is once you have your artwork converted into vector, make whatever necessary adjustments that you need to make to the artwork in order for it to look good or refine it more, because not always does the live trace option work very well. Sometimes you'll have a few glitches here and there that you might have to fix. My name is Mario Alberto Salcido, and thank you very much for watching this video.